Every app has add-ons. So Classroom, Drive, Mail, Slides, Sheets, Docs, everybody. And what you need to do is you come across here and you look for the word add-ons. What does an add-on do? It actually gives you extra tools to kind of change the functionality of the app itself, and it's installed directly within the app. So what you do is you come to the word add-ons, you come down to the bottom where it says get add-ons, and then you will come into the add-ons that are available for that app. And you will notice that some of these have like multiple colors or multiple colors across the bottom. These colors are aligned with the components or the apps that this add-on is available for. So for oh my goodness. For example, Pear Deck is available only for slides. That's yellow. And you see when you hover over it, tells you what it is. Now this one, Box, which is for Google Workspace, which is Dropbox, is available for Calendar, Drive, Sheets, Docs, Slides, and Gmail. And you can see how they're kind of color coordinated to go along with that. So this is how you do it. I'm going to show you how one can be installed. So I'm going to click on the one for slides. I'm going to click the plus sign, right? So it's a Google Space add-on, and you'll see it comes right in here, and it'll show you what it works for. These are all the things it'll work for. Typically, if you install it for one, you install it for all. So that is really kind of awesome. I'm going to click on install. I don't know if this is actually for Dropbox, but it's okay. We're going to install it like this. It's going to go through. And this is kind of where you need to stop and really think, like, do I need permission? Do I have to ask for this? I really need to probably talk to your data privacy officer before you make these kind of changes, because all of these things can be collecting PII. So personal identifiable information, and we want to be very careful with that. So some districts, some regions allow teachers to install everything, some do not. I'm a proponent of the Wild Wild West, so I let teachers install anything. Students no, because that is a little different. So you would go through, click your Gmail account. These are called click-through agreements. Now I'm using my personal account, so that's okay. And I can go through, and it does tell you what it's collecting. So you want to really look at data and privacy when you're in here. I'm going to say allow. I do know that this one is okay. I'm going to go through, and then it will install. So you notice it was Box for Workplace, right? So I want to use this. I'm going to come over here to my add-ons, and it will drop into this list. So it did not. I would probably have to hit refresh, but let's look at, I do have some others in here. So I have Extensis fonts. I'm going to start that, and it's going to come up. It's going to come over here, and it's going to come into the sidebar. And that's how add-ons work. They're very simple to use. They're really great tools. You will probably need to have permission for them.